You need to be shooting your photos in RAW. Here's why. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I got a quick one for you today. If you're anything like me, you're picky and you change your mind a lot, but shooting RAW will give you more creative freedom. So let's say you shot a photo and, at the time you liked the composition, but when you get it onto your computer, you're like, oh, I should have, zoomed in a bit more, or I should have been more over here. So you go to crop it. If you crop a JPEG, you're losing so much quality. The same as with a RAW photo, but nowhere near the amount of quality loss as a JPEG. You crop in, you still have so much data and so much information there that when you crop in, it'll still look pretty good, depending on the megapixels of your camera, but it'll look 1,000 times better RAW opposed to a JPEG. A JPEG will turn your photo into an artifacty, noisy, bandy mess, and yeah, you don't want that. Because RAW photos hold so much information. It's a huge file, but there's so much there that you can pull the exposure up or down if it's off. If you were taking photos of just your pet or your family or whatnot, shoot all the JPEGs you want. But if you're a photographer and you're trying to get as much detail as possible, you need to shoot RAW. And that's my favorite reason as to why photographers need to shoot RAW: detail. If you shot a photo and you overexposed it or you underexposed it, you can fix it. Here's an example. I took a picture of this tree in Nova Scotia on a sunny day. It was getting close to golden hour, not quite golden hour, but close enough. And it's pretty meh. It's, it's all right. Kind of boring. But here's what it looks like with a basic edit on it. That's crazy, eh? Look at all that information, all that detail that was there that just you couldn't see. There's actually a sky there.
Wow, it looks great.
Now you can get all this detail from a RAW photo because it's all there. It's all in that giant file. But if you do it to a JPEG, yeah, you can bring back some of the detail, but then if you're trying to bring back a lot of the detail, you get artifacts and you get that blocky, bandy mess. And that just looks terrible. So this is my tip of the day. Shoot RAW, get better photos. Be happier in editing. If you like this content, there's more to come. So maybe drop a sub if you enjoyed it, drop a like, all that crap. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.